How to send homework. To send homework, go to the Classes tab under your teacher profile and verify that you have a class created, including your students. Along with at least one piece of content assigned to all users. Next, go to Homework section and select Create Homework, or click on the plus sign button located at the top bar. Here, you have different options available for sending homework. The first option allows you to send a link to an activity, including a set of exercises or content. Enter a title, a deadline, a time limit, and select the students in the class to whom you want to send the homework. You can check them one by one or select them all. Then click on Next. Scroll through the topics and select the activity you wish to submit. Click on Create Homework and then on Send. If you choose the second option, you can select exercises about different topics and activities to send to your students. Again, enter a title, deadline, and a time limit, and select the students. Then click Next. Scroll through the topics, select multiple exercises, and click on Create Homework. The third option, Request Hand-in, consists of sending your students instructions describing a task to be carried out and handed in by attaching a file in the format of your choice. First, fill in the required fields. Then, select the students and click on Next. Lastly, write the instructions for the students. And click on Create Homework. You can also send a link to an activity from the book assigned to the class. Click on Send Message, set the deadline and the time limit, select the recipients, and click on Send. You can find information regarding your students' homework under the Homework tab within the class. You can edit the homework at any time by clicking on the pencil icon and saving the changes. The Deliverable File option is not displayed in this section and cannot be modified. In addition, a chat group is created under the Messages section. Students have to use this link to access and complete their homework.